We want them free. We want them free. We want them free. Over and over again, they tell us this is all they want. This woman shows us her husband's identification card. She has no idea where he is. It's a neighborhood clearly feeling the consequences of the rioting from Sunday night. And suddenly the sadness took a more aggressive and violent tone. This government-organized trip for foreign journalists suddenly gone terribly off message. Armed police with guns and electric cattle prods. Soldiers with shields and sticks moving in to contain the chaos. These are complicated ethnic tensions, China's westernmost province populated by these Turkic Uyghurs. But it's the Han Chinese who run the government. Some Uyghurs are separatists, but others are angry over what they feel as their second-class treatment in this country. So ethnic Han Chinese have every reason to fear. The weekend's riots and murders were aimed at the Chinese. This man tells us riot police should have fired and killed more protesters. They were violent, he says. If the officers had used their weapons, fewer ordinary citizens would have died. It is very clear some people were hell-bent on destruction this weekend. We saw the remains of buildings and vehicles, and we could still smell the burnt plastic and metal.
There were a few men I saw who started throwing rocks and stones just a while ago, but it looks like for the moment things are under control once again. You have police on this side, and on the far side of the road, more police, and you have the Uyghurs caught in between in this neighborhood.
For the moment, it's ended in a standoff. But one parting symbolic scene.